Okay, so I do have this landing page that I created using a reframer, and after that what I did is I went to assets and created some color variables and linked each text and layer with the color variable. And the color variable has a dark and a light mode. If I go here to text, so let's change it to this color. Let's make it this color. So, and for the light mode, let's do something like this one. For the dark mode, let's make this one. So the light mode will be this purple, and for the dark mode will be this blue. So as you see, each text element could be also a frame. Let's go layers, let's go to placeholder, and instead of this, let's make it go with the text. Why not this one? And let's get the placeholder and get the placeholder, and let's link them both with the text, so it looks like this. So if I switch to dark mode, looks like this. The dark mode looks ugly, and let's fix it a little bit. Okay, this is not a okay, let's choose green. Okay, let's do this one. So for the dark mode will be green, and for light mode will be this purple. So it works. Now if we publish, and this is the link, let me refresh. It looks very nice. Reframer does the basics thing. So if I want to go to dark mode, it works. Light mode, it works. However, this is working based on the system preference. If I want to create a toggle, so toggle, there is no solution in Framer natively. So what I did is I created a toggler. Here, this is the toggler, and those are the settings for the toggler. So if I wanted to make it a button, let's make it a small button like so. This is very nice. So let me publish. Here now we published. We have the same, and we have the button. Here it doesn't work because the JavaScript is not loaded. Now it will be loaded. Now it works. This is very nice. So if you click again, it looks very nice. However, if we want the button to be a switch, what we're gonna do is click this one and give it some spacing for it to flow. So this is the version. Now if we click, it works here on the canvas in the preview. So if I refresh again and published, let's go here, and it works. Dark mode looks very much. This is the looks very nice here. This is the border. If I came here we have all the settings that you want, and if you want a layer that will not change, just make it a random color. Let's do a color that is not one of the variables. Let's make it this one. So if I publish, Framer theme toggle will be orange in both, be orange, and here will be orange. And this is it. So the link for the toggler will be in the description, and if you like it, please give me a like and give me a comment. Thank you very much.